Have you been searching for formal dress alterations information, step by step in exact order, but can't find it quickly, easily, and completely? I've got it all for you right here, right now. Easy access, all in one place. Where is that magic access? I'll show you where, right now. So what if you could get 12 demo videos and be skipping off your sewing machine right now? What if you could get 6 demo videos about bodice resizing and how to handle the challenging hidden world of boning and bra inserts? 2 demo videos all about invisible zipper replacement, 5 demo videos about the rustling, layered world of satin and chiffon hems, and 2 demo videos all about dealing with straps, whether wide or spaghetti straps. Now, that all adds up to 15 and not 12, but that's because some of the videos deal with 2 subjects at a time, and all videos take into account many different situations one would encounter, such as for bridal, bridesmaid, and prom dresses. And what if the price of this collection was the unbelievably low price listed in the description below? Go ahead. Take a look and see for yourself right now how I've generously kept your budget in mind, yet provided you with everything I have to offer as regards formal dress alterations. That's right. It's fantasy formal dresses anytime for you when you click to the purchase page and get instant access to a dozen lengthy, detailed, and comprehensive videos that will show you how to wrestle down formal dresses. Now is the time, my friends, to learn the art of formal dress alterations so that you're ready for any formal occasion. Not only that, you could take this collection and run with it in your own home-based alterations business. Where else but on this Alterations by Phyllis YouTube channel dedicated largely to 100 plus clothing alterations videos would you find such a sweet deal? Nowhere else, because it's only here where you can find your formal dress alterations fit problems solved. Now go click the link in the description below and get your own set right here, right now, as fast as and sooner than, well, bibbidi bobbidi boo.